Listen up, you lazy sod. Quick dinners for peak performance. Welcome to our channel. You think you're tough? Think you can handle the heat in the kitchen and in the gym? Today we're diving into 10-minute dinner recipes that are perfect for your workout routine, you donkey. No more excuses for shoving greasy takeaways down your throat. We're talking real food, real fast. Let's get cooking. Quick and healthy. No more sad excuses. Listen up, you lot. These meals are designed for speed and efficiency. We're talking restaurant-quality food in the time it takes you to scroll through your Instagram feed. No more excuses about not having time for a proper meal. These recipes are simple, packed with nutrients, and won't leave you feeling like you just ate cardboard. We're talking lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Everything your body needs to recover and rebuild after a killer workout. This isn't rocket science, people. It's about fueling your body right. Fueling your body. Eat like an athlete, train like a beast. You can't expect to perform at your best if you're shoveling down rubbish. Your body is a machine, and it needs the right fuel to function properly. These meals are designed to give you the energy you need to power through your workouts and recover like a champion. We're talking about boosting your metabolism, building lean muscle, and improving your overall health. No more sluggishness, no more excuses. It's time to take control of your nutrition and unlock your full potential. Grilled chicken salad, a classic done right. First up, we've got a classic grilled chicken salad. We're not talking about some sad, soggy lettuce with a few dry chicken strips. This salad is packed with flavor and texture. We're talking juicy grilled chicken, crisp lettuce, crunchy cucumbers, and a tangy vinaigrette. Get your grill pan screaming hot. Season that chicken with salt, pepper, and a touch of paprika. A quick sear on each side and you're good to go. Slice it up, toss it with your favorite veggies, and drizzle on that vinaigrette. Boom! A protein-packed salad that's ready in minutes. Chapter 4. Quinoa and Veggie Stir-Fry. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. Next up, we're firing up the wok for a quick and easy quinoa and veggie stir-fry. This dish is perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something nutritious yet delicious without spending hours in the kitchen. This dish is a flavor bomb packed with colorful veggies and protein-rich quinoa. The combination of textures and flavors will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Get your wok smoking hot, toss in some chopped garlic, ginger, and your favorite veggies. The aroma of garlic and ginger sizzling in the wok is simply irresistible and sets the stage for a mouth-watering meal. We like to use broccoli, carrots, and peppers. These vegetables not only add vibrant colors to your dish, but also provide a variety of nutrients. Broccoli is rich in vitamins K and C. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, and peppers add a sweet crunch. And snap peas for a satisfying crunch. Snap peas are not only delicious, but also packed with fiber and vitamins, making this stir-fry a well-rounded meal. Add in your cooked quinoa, a splash of soy sauce, and a pinch of chili flakes for a bit of a kick. Quinoa is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and adds a nutty flavor that complements the vegetables perfectly. Stir-fry until everything is heated through and slightly charred. The slight charring adds a smoky depth to the dish. Dinner is served. Enjoy this wholesome, flavorful meal that's sure to become a family favorite. Chapter 5. Salmon with Asparagus. Restaurant quality in your kitchen. Today, we're diving into a dish that brings the elegance of a high-end restaurant right into your home kitchen. For a taste of elegance without the fuss, we're cooking up some salmon with asparagus. This combination is not only visually stunning, but also incredibly nutritious and delicious. This dish is light, flavorful, and packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Season your salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The lemon juice not only adds a zesty flavor, but also helps to tenderize the fish, making it even more succulent. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until cooked through. The key is to ensure the salmon is flaky and moist, not dry. While the salmon is baking, toss your asparagus with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Asparagus is a fantastic vegetable that pairs perfectly with salmon, offering a nice crunch and a burst of flavor. Roast them alongside the salmon for the last 5 to 7 minutes, or until tender crisp. This ensures that both the salmon and asparagus are ready at the same time, making the cooking process seamless. Plate up your salmon and asparagus, and drizzle with a little extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. This final touch adds a layer of richness and brightness to the dish. Dinner fit for a king. With minimal effort, you've created a meal that looks and tastes like it came from a 5-star restaurant. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece. Chapter 6: Turkey Wraps, the perfect post-workout refuel. Looking for the perfect post-workout refuel? Look no further than these protein-packed turkey wraps. They're quick, easy, and customizable with your favorite fillings. Grab some whole wheat tortillas, spread them with hummus or Greek yogurt, and pile on sliced turkey breast, spinach, tomatoes, and avocado. Roll them up tight, slice them in half, and you've got a delicious and nutritious meal that will power your recovery. No time for excuses, get those wraps made. Chapter 7: Shrimp Tacos, a fiesta in your mouth. Let's spice things up with some shrimp tacos. These little bundles of joy are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes. These tacos are bursting with flavor and honestly come together in a flash. Perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a weekend gathering with friends. First, marinate your shrimp in a mixture of lime juice, chili powder, cumin, and garlic. This marinade infuses the shrimp with a zesty, spicy kick that will make your taste buds dance. While the shrimp is marinating, go ahead and warm up your tortillas. You can use a skillet or even a microwave if you're in a hurry. Warm tortillas are essential as they make the tacos more pliable and enhance the overall flavor. Then, sauté the shrimp in a hot pan for a couple of minutes per side until they turn pink and are cooked through. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be irresistible. Fill your tortillas with the shrimp, some shredded cabbage, diced tomatoes, and a dollop of your favorite salsa. The crunch of the cabbage, the juiciness of the tomatoes, and the tangy salsa create a perfect harmony of textures and flavors. Truly, a fiesta in your mouth. These shrimp tacos are not just a meal, they are an experience. Each bite is a celebration of fresh, vibrant ingredients coming together in perfect harmony. Enjoy! For a satisfying and protein-packed meal, we're whipping up some beef and broccoli. This dish is a classic for a reason. It's quick, easy, and always delicious. Slice your beef into thin strips and marinate it in a mixture of soy sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch. While the beef is marinating, steam or stir-fry your broccoli until tender crisp. Stir-fry the beef in a hot pan until browned and cooked through. Add the broccoli to the pan, along with a sauce made from soy sauce, honey, and garlic. Stir-fry until everything is heated through and the sauce is thickened. A classic with a kick. For a lighter and veggie-packed option, we're making a vibrant veggie pasta. This dish is bursting with flavor and comes together in a flash. Cook your favorite pasta according to package directions. While the pasta is cooking, sauté your favorite vegetables in a pan with olive oil, garlic, and your favorite herbs and spices. We like to use a mix of bell peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, and cherry tomatoes. Toss the cooked pasta with the vegetables and a drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. A vegetarian delight. Last but not least, we're making a creamy and delicious chicken and avocado salad. This salad is packed with protein, healthy fats, and flavor. Combine cooked and shredded chicken breast, diced avocado, chopped celery, red onion, and cilantro in a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the chicken mixture and stir to combine. Serve the salad on bread, crackers, or a bed of lettuce. A creamy and delicious treat. Right, you lot! You've survived another day in my kitchen. Now, get out there and put these recipes to the test. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. With a little bit of effort and these quick and easy recipes, you can fuel your body for peak performance. Now get out of my sight before I change my mind and put you to work. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and healthy meal ideas. See you next time.